Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive.
Guys, good morning. So it's time for breakfast, okay? Check in, people. How you guys doing? Welcome back to another day out here in Colombia. Alright, today what I'm about to do is I am going to a store and alright, so let me give you kind of a backstory. So wake up this morning and we decided that we're gonna wash some clothes, and then we basically asked them if they have a washing machine. So there's none, so I decided that I'm gonna purchase one. Alright, so that we can wash our clothes and stuff, because otherwise we'd have to be using our hands, which there's really no problem doing that, but I want to get this item, when we are gone it can benefit them. So yeah, I'm sure that you would have already seen from previous videos that where we are staying is not in the what I call the well-off side of Colombia. We opted to stay in the more like the ghetto part, so the more poorer side, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I decided, alright, I'm gonna just get the machine, so when we left and we're gone, them can have it. Now today I'm traveling solo, alright, taking a taxi by myself, and please don't worry guys, please don't worry. They have told me 1,000,000 times to be safe, okay, and I am being safe, alright, trust and believe, I am being safe. So I wanted to get this experience of traveling in a whole new country by myself, taking the taxi by myself. So what I asked them to do is tell me the name of the place that I need to go, and I just put it in my phone, and when I reach in the taxi, I translate and tell the driver this is where I'm going. Alright, so yeah, and as you can see, I'm here in the taxi, heading to the mall, just to get that machine to wash. Alright, so at the house that we're staying, it's not really like a Airbnb, well, kind of a Airbnb, but not really. Alright, so it's a house basically. I'm sure that you would have seen in previous videos as well, where the soldier guy showed us around downtown Barranquilla, the market, and then before him was another guy For some reason, I can't be remembering their names, but yeah, there's actually two of them that took us out, you know, and show us around. So they live; those two live there with their mother. Yeah, and like I said, they are kind of, you know, not well off. So now we are approaching the mall. So I'm just gonna get this for them. All right. So now we're at the mall, and like I say, I am going to get a washing machine. You know, so it will benefit them even after we left. Yeah. So we briefly came here yesterday. So, briefly came here yesterday. But we didn't get to stay long or see much because it was night, and what I realized is that they don't really stay late on the road at night. So I'm here. It's almost 12 noon, and you know, we're just now walking. Actually, I'm here with his girlfriend, Neda, her girlfriend. That's his name. Yeah. But this mall is really nice, guys. It's beautiful.
Primero vamos a buscar la máquina, luego lo de Leandra.
See. So guys, you can see how beautiful it is. Actually, there are a lot of nice stuff, nice clothing. But like I said, we're not here to get any clothes today. I'm just here see if I can find a machine, something probably like $300 or something like that. So you know, that's what we're here to buy. Yeah. So we go inside this store. No, why not? So actually they have a lot of stuff in here, lots of electronics, cell phones, laptop, fridge, stove, machines. You know, it would be like the courts of Jamaica or the singers. Yeah, and don't be alarmed by the prices, because most of them are already in Colombian pesos. So here I just show you guys around some nice fridge. So maybe we get this one. Nothing too expensive, guys, but something that will do the job. In the meantime, you know, let's just look at the others. I'll show you this one we decided to get in a minute. Alright people, so this is the one that we decided to get, and like I say, nothing too expensive. Yeah, just want to, you know, leave them with it as a gift. Also, when I was leaving the house, a guy was there installing 2 ACs, because trust me, when we went there, the place, well, you would have already seen how we're sweating. The place is super hot. So I decided that, you know, I'm going to install 2 ACs for them. So I went ahead and I did just that. So when we go back home, I'm going to show you, you know, that because I'm sure it would have already been installed by the time we get back. Because when we were leaving today, they were already putting up the ACs. So yeah, so this visit to Colombia has been going good so far. And you know, when we're leaving, at least, you know, they will be with a washing machine and also 2 ACs. Now, as for a light bill, I'm not sure how that will go with them. Well, they will have to figure that out. So I'm just doing what I can for them. It's 2 weeks there, you know, and you know, I just want to leave them with that little blessing because, you know, it's who I am. So stay tuned. So I think the machine will come later on today. I'm not sure how it will be delivered, but we're just now purchasing and doing all that we need to do. So just stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we have already purchased the machine, and like I said, it's going to be delivered to the house. So with me today, showing me around, it's the soldier guy's girlfriend, right? Yeah. So we're in the mall. She really dealt with all of the, well, giving them the address to the house and all of that. Yeah. Now we continue. Quick little tour around. Not really gonna stay long because we have some other thing planned for today and the time is really going by. So on our way out, I'm just gonna show you guys yeah, what I see. But so far it is beautiful. Okay, so now we're going down. Okay. So earlier, I kind of chicken on me telling say I'm taking the taxi alone. Well, that was a little bit not really true. I'm actually here with her, you know. They wouldn't let me go alone, guys. Nobody wants you to go anywhere alone, you know, and really appreciate that because they're ensuring that we get back home safe. Okay, so I'm sure like every one of you guys must be wondering, Colors, how did you know these people? How do you know that you can trust them? How do you know that they're good? Let me tell you, I'm showing you more of the mall. So we were there looking around online, and like I say, you don't know, say, I always want to go to places that not a lot of people are showing these days, right? So I'm there searching and I say, okay, Colombia. And I'm looking at Colombia and I'm saying, all right, this looks like a good place to visit. And so I went on Airbnb website and I'm looking around. I was seeing some nice places, but I say, you know what? If anybody has come to Colombia, I'm sure that they're gonna pick these places, you know, nice touristy place with great view and beautiful city and all of that. So I want to see like the more local side of things. And then I search and search and search, and I came across the community, but I'm not gonna really tell you the name but it's in Barranquilla, but I'm not going to really tell you much more about that. And when I looked, I saw the house, and I booked it, you know, for 3 of us, me, myself, what may I say, me, Papi and Climber. So when we got there, you know, we met, like I say, the soldier guy, his mom, his girlfriend who's accompanying me here today, and the first guy, so 4 of them, you know, and whoa, the heat was unbearable. So I decided to get them 2 ACs installed, and then get the washing machine for them when I realized that they don't have one. So, you know, I believe it's a blessing for them. They has been treating us so good, you know. Trust me, they remind us of Jamaicans, like no joke. Like the hospitality, the caring nature that they have towards us. It's really something. So I appreciate it, and I just want them to feel appreciated as well by me doing this for them. They were like, no, you don't have to do that. It's okay. And I'm like, okay, I'm doing this anyway, okay? That is me, guys. So anyways, stay tuned. So that was just like a quick summary of how I get to know them and all of that. So stay tuned, we're heading back outside. Alright people, so this is lunch. This is beef, noodle rice and some veg with some lemonade. But they use orange to make the lemonade instead of lime. Alrighty, so I'm gonna dig in and enjoy this. So guys, this is the machine. Machine working wonders, right?
Respondiendo a ese gran funcionamiento de España, teniendo menos la pelota pero con claridad en su juego. ¿Qué dicen las estadísticas en este primer cuarto de hora del partido?
Alright guys, so this is the ACO installed. This is how it look. As you can see now, like I say, hopefully light bill not really kill them. I don't know how they're gonna manage it, but yeah man, based on how the place set, it a drip in this. So I guess from time to time they have to change the bucket there. But yeah, at least them can stay cool. You see me? Yeah man, that is it, you know? Yeah. Right, the general I watch football. That is it. Yeah. Football. Junior de Barranquilla. So junior side for Barranquilla, no? Big up, big up. And this is Ishmael, right? Ismail. And then the soldier guy is Naidar. Naidar. Alright. Yeah guys, so you know see? Yeah man. That is it. So just have a little look, nah to show up too much I still, but yeah. That one, you know? That's how we are based for the next couple of days.